Ria is building her new house. The main room of her house is 20 feet by 16 feet. She feels that the room will look nice if it is covered with square tile of same shape and same size. She also wanted to be cost effective. She wants to know what is the minimum possible of tiles and what size tiles she should buy. What is the size of the tiles she should buy? Ria in interpreting the real life situations in HCF and let's help Ria figure out what is the size of the tile she has to find out. Solve this video. HCF learn to compute HCF correctly. So the question is, first question is having that a 20 feet length and the breadth of the room are 20 feet by 16 feet. Ria has to cover it with tiles of same shape and size, but she has to make sure it should be cost effective to use minimum possible of tiles. We have to find the size of the tiles. Maximum size of tiles should be the HCF of the keywords when the things have to be made the highest common factor of maximum possible size. So let us find out HCF of 20 and 15. So prime factorization and 20 gives us 20 we have prime factorized, we get 2 into 5. Similarly, prime factorization of 16 will give, when I am dividing 16, we will divide by 2, I will get 8. On dividing further by 2, I will again divide 8 by 2, divided by we are going to get 4. 4 divided by 2 is again 2 and 2 divided by 2 is so 16 is equal to prime factors of 16 are 2 into 2. Now since we have to find out HCF, that is the highest common factor. 20 is 2 into 2 observe 5, 16 is 20 is having 2 into 2 into 5. So in both the cases 2 times 2 is coming. So 2 into 2 times 2 is common in both the cases. So the HCF of 20 and 16 is 4 feet. This means that the size to buy tile which is to buy is 4 feet. So that I hope this is clear with everyone. The size of the tile should be 4 feet. So that the minimum possible number of tiles just remember required. Again I'm telling you, whenever look for the word minimum, that whenever we have things all these things are mentioned, we have to find out the largest maximum possible of we have to find out Pepsi can be stuck. Question is 144 cartons of Coke and 90 cartons of Pepsi can be stuck in a canteen. What is the greatest number of cartons same size height and contain carton of same drink? We have to find out greatest number of required. Now greatest word over here gives us a hint that we need to find out HCF. We need to find out HCF of 144 and 90. We are going to do prime factorization of 144 and 90 and we are going to find out its HCF of 144. So let's find out factors of 144. 144 is divisible by 2. We divide it by 2 will get 72. Again dividing by 2 we get 36. 36 divided by 2 gives us 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 divided by divisible by 3 we get 3 and 3 divided by 3 is 1. Is equal to 2. So 144 is equal to 2 into 2. Now let's into 3 into prime factorize. 2 is coming 4 times and 3 is coming 2 times. 90. Now let's prime factorize 90 and find out 90. The smallest when I prime factorize 90. 90 is divisible by 2. So 90 would be divided by 2. Now 45 is not divisible by 2. Not divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 3. It is 2. It is divisible by 3. 15 is divisible by 15. 15 is again divisible by 3. We get 5 and 5 divisible by 5. We get 2 into 3. So 90 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Over now here we have to find out HCF. 2 is coming common and find out the highest common factor. So if you observe prime carefully, HCF of having 1 time 2 is common and 2 times 3 is coming common. Now 3 is coming 2 times. So the common factors are 2 and having 2 is coming 2 times 1 is coming 3. That gives us 18. So this means that 18 cartons in the stack are required. So the number of cartons when you have the greatest number of cartons, largest, maximum. Next question, find out the breadth and height of the room are 850 cm. The length, breadth and height of the room are 470 cm. 625 to find out the length of the largest rod that can measure the largest rod that can measure the dimensions of the room. The length is 850 largest rod we have to find out. Largest means we have to find out HCF. Further, so this means we are having 3 numbers over here. We have to measure the room with the largest rod. Length is 850, breadth is 625, height is 475. HCF of 850 and prime factors I'll divide it by 2. When I divide 850 by 2, 400 we are going to get 425. Now 425 is not divisible by 5. It is not divisible by 3. It is divisible by 5. We get 85. 85 divided by 5 is divisible by 5 is 17 is a prime number. 17 divided by 17 is 1. So the factors of 850 are 2 into 5 into 5 into 17. 5 into 5 into 17. Next, let's find out the factors of 625. 625 is not divisible by 2 and 3. 625 is divisible by 5. It is also not divisible by 3. 625 by 5 we get 125. 125 divided by 5 is 25. 125 divided by 5 is 5 and 5 divided by 5 is 5 and 5 divided by 5 is equal to 5 into 5 so 120 into 5 is coming 4 times. 5 into 5 next into number 5 we are having is 475. Now let's divide 475. Again 475 is not divisible by 2. 475 when divided by 3. 475 is divisible by 5. 95. That gives us 95. Further we are 95 divided by 5 gives us 90. 95 so the factors of 475 are 5 into 5 into by 19 is 1. So now we have to find out the largest rod. Largest means we have to find out HCF of 850, 625 and 475. So what is coming common is, if we clearly see 850 we are having 5 is coming common in both the cases. 5 is coming 2 times in 850, we also have 5 625 2 times in 475. 5 into 5 which is 25 centimeter and the length of the largest possible rod is 25 centimeter. That can measure the dimensions of the largest we have to find out. So in today's video, we have learned how to find out questions based on the real life problems. Learned how to find out real life problems based on HCF. Keep learning, keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget your free demo. Check the link in the bio or in the bio or cspark.in in your browser today. Thanks.